Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to collect leads using HubSpot free tools step by step, perfect for beginners and small businesses in 2026. Let's get started. HubSpot offers several free tools that help you capture and manage leads without any cost. These tools are easy to use and integrate directly with the CRM. First, start with HubSpot Forms. Go to Marketing, Forms, and create a form to collect visitor information such as name and email. When someone submits the form, the lead is automatically saved in your CRM. Next, use landing pages. With HubSpot's free tools, you can create simple landing pages to promote offers and collect leads using forms. Pop-up forms are another effective tool. You can create pop-ups or slide-ins that appear based on user behavior, such as time on page or exit intent. Live chat is also included in HubSpot's free plan. Enable live chat on your website to engage visitors in real time and convert them into leads. Email marketing helps you nurture leads after collection. Send follow-up emails, welcome messages, or helpful content to build relationships. HubSpot also tracks website activity. You can see which pages visitors view and how they interact with your content. Use contact lists to organize leads based on source, interest, or lifecycle stage. This helps you send more targeted messages. Finally, track performance using dashboards. Monitor form submissions, traffic sources, and lead growth to improve your strategy. In summary, HubSpot's free tools make lead collection simple and effective. By using forms, landing pages, pop-ups, live chat, and email marketing, you can grow your lead database steadily in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Hello, everyone.